So SMCI guys, watch out. We have another seller because today we open up on around this gap. And this is not just for SMCI bad news, but the whole market went down because of anticipation of the Donald Trump actually have the decision to strike Iran. However, we have a good kind of postponing the strike on Iran, and you see what's happened. Huge reversal for SMCI, and the whole market reversed. But there is a one level or tricky, a technical level that we didn't break. That's why even with this kind of good news, the market is still didn't recover yet and is still in undecision phase. We're going to discuss now where the price to confirm that we start reversal, because usually when the stock pulled back 33% or almost 40%, there is a lot of buyers watching for a discount price to get in. So we have to be prepared for the next reversal from the bottom, because it already happened for SMCI. It might happen again. Before we go further again, guys, remember our content here always for educational purposes only. So let me just show you one thing here. The price reverse how much here? Yes, in the pre-market did 7%. I was surprised about this move, but again, I was not convinced. You know why? Because the 2116, this is the last price where the short seller added their position. The last price again on Friday, they added here around this gap, the 25. And day before, and the bad news hit the market after hours, it was around the $30. So they add around the 30, 25, 20. So after every $5 from the 30 to 25 to 25 until almost the 20, as you see here, 21. So every $5 they started to short and add their position more. So how are we going to confirm that we're going to have a reversal? First of all, we have to break this level, guys, the 2116, and hold that 1934. This is really strong support, guys. If we held it, SMCI will confirm that we're going to have a bit of consolidation here, and confirmation for the breakout on the 2116 will give us the 2224 and the 2550. Those three levels might be tested really soon and do really huge reversal for SMCI, 15, 10% for today or the rest of this week. So I'm watching SMCI closely, because if we did, we might have a huge green. If we didn't, we might have a huge red for today, because right now is neutral, almost neutral. So either we're gonna go up 15% or go down almost 15% for today. So this is really critical zone right now. But I'm on the bullish side right now, because we have established big buyer yet over the 1934. So I'm watching it for a reversal right now, and keep your eyes closed on the 2116, guys. For today would be interesting level to break.